Primetime News this evening, Violence in Session, a TVJ News in Focus report on behavioral issues plaguing our education system. Funding issues threatening special needs students' education. And cops say gang war resulting in more gruesome crime scenes as criminals access and using weapons for hunting.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys. Almost forgot your name.
Well, Janella, this evening we're talking about artificial intelligence. Now, earlier this year, the government hinted that there needs to be a body that will look at the trends in AI, and that body has been established. So I'll tell you what that's all about a little later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. And Jordan is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, the Reggae Girls returned home. The Jamaican-based Reggae Girls returned home today. That's after their failed bid to qualify for the CONCACAF W Gold Cup, the inaugural tournament. So we'll hear from them on their return. Also, we'll hear from the candidate in the JFF presidential election, Raymond Anderson. Should be interesting to hear what he has to say. You won't want to miss that in Primetime Sports Monday.
And we want to hear what Romain has to say about what's coming up in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. This week we are expecting slightly wetter conditions than we had over the previous week. We're looking for some rainfall activity across the island sometime after Wednesday. We expect the peak to be around Friday, but we're also expecting stronger winds across most of the coastal areas.
All right, thanks, Romain. Now, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the package. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how can violence in schools be addressed?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.